Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Good Tunnel VPN application in all countries and on all networks. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to like the video. That is it, and let us start up. First and foremost, let us head over to Google Play Store and then we'll download our VPN application called Good Tunnel VPN. Download and then install this VPN application in your Android device, and then after open, allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this VPN application, and then join their Telegram channel. Keep in mind that this tutorial is purposely for research and educational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers' terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Then after, we are going to come right here, and then you're going to look for an option of updating our servers. That one. We're going to give it some few seconds to update the servers until we see a word that no updates are available. Keep closing all those artifacts. Now the next step, we are going to open that one, the auto select server, and then we're going to we can import a server, but I do recommend my viewers to stay using the auto select server. The next step, we are going to go where you have Ghana Telecel Unlimited, and then you're going to come where we have all networks. By seeing all networks, we are going to go and then open up the search bar, and then we are going to search in our country's name. But alternatively, we can just go slow, but for other countries, provided that you support UDP, you're going to be choosing this. Then after, we're going to come and then we connect. That is it, and let us meet in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friend. I'm Tech, and I sign out.